Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson, and I help home business owners clean up their Facebook profile to get more leads and reps and customers for their business. And in today's video, we're going to talk about setting up your Facebook follow button on your personal profile and how to know which people are following you on Facebook. We're going to look at it both from the desktop and from your mobile device. So first, why do you need to have this Facebook follow button enabled? Well, Facebook is always changing the rules to make sure they're creating a positive experience for their users. And one of the things that they're really looking at is engagement. In the past, you could have Facebook friends, you could post anything on Facebook, and all of your friends would see it. That's not the case right now. What Facebook is looking for is engagement. You can have 5,000 friends, but if your friends aren't engaging with your content, your Facebook posts are not going to be seen on the Facebook newsfeed for very long, and not all of your Facebook friends are going to see your Facebook posts. So what do we need to do? You need to be very careful with who you're going to be sending out Facebook friend requests for. So what Facebook did is they created a Facebook follow feature. And so what the follow button allows you to do, you can follow up to 5,000 people. And what the follow button does is that you can follow somebody. You can look at their Facebook posts, you can look at their profile, you can interact with their content. And so this is a really great way when you're interacting with people and you're building the know, like, and trust factor, because people do business with those who they know, like, and trust, that you want people who are going to be engaging with your content. If you have people who are engaging with your content, then they're worthy to have a Facebook friend request from you. So you have to be very careful with who you're sending Facebook friend requests out to and who you are accepting for Facebook friends. So with that said, let's get right into how to set up your Facebook follow button. Okay, here we are on my desktop looking at my Facebook personal profile. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to see if your Facebook profile button follow button is enabled, and we're going to activate that. Then I'm going to show you how you can find your followers who are following you on Facebook, both on the desktop and on your mobile device. So to find people who are following you, if you have your follow button enabled, it's going to show up under your bio section, and you're going to look for this little icon that has little curved lines, and it says followed by. If you do not see this, your follow button is not enabled. So to activate that, it's very, very simple. All you're going to do is come up to where you see this little triangle. It's going to drop down a screen. Click on Settings. It's going to take you to this screen, which is your Facebook General Settings. You're going to come to Public Posts. You're going to want to click on the Public Post tab. And there you want to make sure, pay very close attention where it says who can follow me. You want to make sure this is set to public, okay? Because then anybody brand new that doesn't know you and they're hovering over your Facebook profile, your follow button will show up and they will want to follow you. And just a little hint, you're going to get more people following you and wanting to engage with you and your content if you have that follow button enabled. Now we're going to come over. Now to find out who's following you, you can find out on two ways on your Facebook profile. The first way, you can come right up here to the More, and you can click on Following, and it brings it right up here. Real quick, real easy. Now another way you can do this is if we come down to our bio section and we see that we have our followed by, you will notice that the number will be bold-faced, and if you hover over that, you'll see a little line come up. You can click on that, and this also shows you your followers. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to do this on your phone, your mobile. So I'm going to bring up my phone here. There we go. And what we will do is I'm going to bring up my Facebook profile, which is right here. And I'm going to scroll down, and you are going to see where it says followed by, and there's the number of my followers. All I have to do is tap on, I have to tap just right on followed by, and here comes all of the people that I'm following. Very easy, very simple. So did you get value today? If you did, I want you to leave a comment and share. And if you would like a complimentary Facebook profile review by me, all you have to do is come over to drlisamthompson.com, click on your complimentary Facebook profile audit, and I will walk through with you. We will look through and do a real quick analysis of your Facebook profile, make sure it's all set up and ready to go so that you can start getting more leads for your business. All you have to do is click here and you put in your name and your email address, and then you will be able to get set up and schedule your complimentary Facebook profile audit. In addition, you're also going to get a free PDF cheat sheet from me, which will also show you more tips and strategies on how to optimize your Facebook profile to get more people reaching out to you. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.